Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Taurus, we are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Taurus, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. So stay tuned for that reading, Taurus. Let's see what are these cards first. We have Page of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles and Queen of Wands. So Taurus, you are someone who has that dedication and devotion. So whatever your choices are, you work with a great concentration using your skills and talents. And you are someone really friendly, honest in your thoughts and actions. So you have honest intentions, true intentions in your work or in your relationship. You are really trustworthy and reliable, guys. Taurus. And today in your life, Taurus, maybe you are not willing to change certain things. Maybe you are clinging on to some ideas or some belief or some decisions and you are not willing to change. Maybe you are a very possessive person. Till you believe in something, you do not go for that. But once you believe in some idea or a belief, whatever it is, or once you made up your mind, made a choice, you never give it up. No matter what, you hold on to it and you are a very stubborn person. That is also what I see, guys. And maybe for some of you, you are holding on to some kind of an idea or a circumstance, or it may be a decision, and you are not willing to change for anyone today, and you have total faith in that. And maybe it may be something good. If it is in love, maybe you are holding on to this person, you have faith in them and you are waiting for them. So, and you are not willing to leave this person, let go of them, because you trust them no matter what. But there are certain things that has happened in your life, but you're not willing to change your mind. So that is the way you are, Taurus. And today for you, I see that there is some kind of a news reaching you. It may be something important. It may be an email or a message from this person you love. And for some of you, it may be a positive news. That is what is coming towards you, guys. And you are happy for it because it is a positive news or a message that is reaching you. Or it may be from your person you love, or it may be in your work situation, guys, Taurus. So that is the energy with these cards, guys, Taurus. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this reading, Taurus. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for that pick a card. For your love reading, guys, we have 3 cards here and 3 crystals, and it is going to be like a pick a card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, choose with these crystals or the cards, whatever comes to you first. So that card may answer your questions or clear your doubts, guys. So I will start the reading with this card. This is your first card, this is your second card, and this is your third card. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. So for those who chose this card, the first card, guys, and this crystal. Let's see what it is. We have Archangel Rahul. So it is an angel card here, guys. It just means that angels are here guiding us today. And maybe in your life today, for those who chose this card, you feel that you have been unfairly treated. Someone has wronged you in some ways, and it is really difficult for you to maintain that harmony and balance. So, however, you are trying to console yourself, let go of all that hurt. You feel really hurt, and you're so much emotionally disturbed because of the way they treated you, guys. And maybe for some of you, you may also be involved in some kind of a lawsuit. So some legal matters are also happening today in your life. But you need not worry, guys. This angel card is a guidance for y'all. So, and the guidance is clarity of thought, and you will feel harmony in your self, guys. You will have that balanced nature. You will again have that. Maybe today you are quite emotional, maybe you are crying, you are very much disturbed, but all that is going to resolve for you all, guys. So that is the energy with this card, and this angel card is the guidance for you all. So all your emotional disturbances, and maybe if there is some kind of a lawsuit, or if you want clarity of thought, that is what is happening today in your life today, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So what is the second card and the second crystal? For those who chose this second crystal and this card, so let's see what it is. We have Celestite. So this crystal spirit's guidance for us today is that, guys, maybe angels or that higher power or God, whatever we call it, that is helping us by whispering to us, showing us signs through people. It may be strangers or someone you barely know. So you are facing some specific challenges in your relationship, guys, and these angels are dedicated to be your friend, healer, and will do anything they can to connect you to people with gifts for you. So they are going to help you open your eyes, see the truth, and guide you in the right way, guys. So you may have people telling you some words, and that may point you, or that may give you clarity in certain things, but you need to be very attentive, guys, because angels are here guiding you. And with a simple prayer, with our honest intention to listen to them, we can invoke their blessings today, the angels' blessings in your situation. So if you are facing any challenges in your relationship, this angel spirit is guiding you to come out of that difficulty, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this second card. So let's see what is the third card. For those who chose this crystal and this card, we have chop wood. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe in our relationship today, nothing is more important than those simpler day-to-day activities that we do together, guys. So sometimes not everything has to be big. We may not be achieving some big things today. And we need to understand that relationships and friendships often go through lulls, and everyday tasks are the ones that is going to create a center of awareness, and that is what is perfect for the time right now. So you need to what to say, don't go for huge decisions or big things right now. You just have to go for the simpler, smaller things like holding hands, reading a book together, sharing a meal, just being with this other person, spending time with them. So that is going to work in a magical way in this relationship. And just being present is going to change the way things are between you both, guys. So everything is going all right. You need to understand that, and just spending time with them is going to resolve many difficulties in this relationship for you guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. I hope this reading resonates, guys. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.